Hello again, class. We're going to talk about another articulation marking today. Again, articulation is how you start the note and how you are physically creating that note and what it sounds like. Staccato is our articulation of the day, and staccato is shown by just a dot above or below the note. Now, you can see here I have 4 quarter notes with dots above them, and then I have 4 quarter notes here with the tenuto marking. And I wanted to just show you guys the difference between those two. Now, staccato, I don't like to think of it as short. I like to think of it as there's a nice amount of space between the notes. If you think of it as short, you might tend to go tick, 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 ta, and then that way the note, it sounds very chopped off, and you don't want it to be chopped off. It should still ring and have resonance. Okay, so you're not stopping the note with your tongue with a wind instrument, and you're not making it too short, but you are just making sure there's space between the notes. So I'm just going to play a B flat, and I'm going to play 4 staccato quarter notes. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and play 4 legato notes, or tenuto, connected, no space between the notes. So pretty clear difference. Now I was trying to think, okay, what's a good example in our band music of a song that would just sound really silly if it wasn't staccato? So last year we were going to do the theme from Hamilton. It's a medley from Hamilton, and very sadly, obviously, because of we weren't in school, we weren't able to perform it. But this is a very complex rhythm that is from My Shot. So any of you guys that are Hamilton fans know that song. And this, don't worry too much about the rhythm, but you guys already know this. The way this goes is, I am not giving away my shot, right? Okay, so the way that they rap that in the musical, they're really putting a lot of space between those, especially when they get to away my shot, right? I am not giving away my shot. Yeah, there's a fair amount of space between those notes. Imagine if in the musical they sang it, I am not giving away my shot, right? It wouldn't have the drive to it. It wouldn't have that same it wouldn't have the same feeling at all. So that's just an example for you guys of where staccato might be used. So the main thing I want you to get away from this is when you see that dot above or below a note, that's called staccato, and there should be nice amount of space between the notes. There you go.